Hey guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my November update for Project Panopoly. So if you want to see everything I've been working on, rolling out, and rolling in, let's go ahead and just get on into it. So if you don't know anything about this project, it was created by Jami at the Impulsive Panner over on Instagram and here on YouTube. This is a game board inspired project pan inspired by Panopoly, and you're supposed to start at the start line if you're starting this new, or where you left off if you're returning, and you use 2 dice, or you can use the dice on the website to determine how many spaces to move. You work on 5 products or prompts at a time, and it's rolling style from there on out. And yeah, you just do what the prompts tell you to do. There at the bottom of the website tells you if you land on a prompt that says something that is not readily explainable. There at the bottom of the website that will tell you more about it, because I've already made a couple mistakes. So make sure you're checking those things out. This does update monthly, and that is about it. So first we'll get into the products that I was working on, and then I have some things to show you. So we have my dummy dumb go to jail product, because I wasn't supposed to go to jail. Check out my last video where I explained that whole thing. My playlist is always in the description. Everything I'm wearing is in the description. Literally anything you ever need to know ever is always in my description box. I packed that baby jammed full. So my go to jail product, which is to finish a product, I picked out this Lottie London Vampire Diaries Love Sucks blush in the shade Witchcraft. It is a pH changing blush, and I wanted to finish it. I mean, I have to finish it. That is the goal of go to jail product. That is where we're at. Right now I'm trying to hit side pan right here, because I just think that that'd make for cool progress. For the first time, so I've used it 4 times total in this project. Once in November, twice in October for my 4 uses. For the first time ever, I used this as a lip product and not just a blush, and I really enjoyed that, because I'm not a big multitasker of products. Like if this says it's a cheek product, I'm using it as a cheek product, but I tried it as a lip product, and I really enjoyed it. It felt really nice and comfy on the lips. So yeah, I really liked that. So hopefully that'll make it go a little faster. But yeah, it's got 4 uses on it so far. This is going to be in for quite a long time. Obviously, it's a long haul product. Yeah, there is no end date on this project, so that's okay with me. Next, I got the challenge wheel, which I love the challenge wheel so very much. And for that, I got a 50 times... Sorry for the loud car going by. For the challenge wheel, I got a 50 times usage goal. So for that, I wanted to pick out something that I need to absolutely get my usages on, which I'm sorry, it's got fingerprints all over it. This is the Natasha Denona Berry Pop Cheek Trio, and honestly, I should have just picked 50 uses on the trio as a whole, because I've used the other products as well, and I feel like that would make this go a lot faster. Let me know in the comments if you think I should change my goal to not just the 1 product I'm working on, but to the trio, because I originally set my goal for just this blush, the cream blush, which to me is a cream to powder, and it's a beautiful blush. I've used it 4 times in October, so we're at 7 out of 50 uses. But I can tell you for a fact that I've used this once or twice, but I've used this highlighter like 4 or 5 times. So let me know in the comments, should I change my goal to the palette as a whole, or if I really should just work on this blush for 50 times? let me know. But the blush itself is at 7 out of 50 uses. So let me put that back because all of my things in my little panning section have like all shifted because I pulled that out. Everybody stay. Jesus. Be kosher, comfy, my lord. Okay. So next I got a You Choose, and then it was eye product. So I picked my About Face shadow stick, and this is the matte one in the Aliens Are Real, which is this gorgeous chartreusey green shade. I love it. I love this so much. I really only like matte shadow sticks. I only own, I think, four shadow sticks because I don't really like them, but if it is going to be a shadow stick for me, it's going to be a matte one. I originally picked 10 uses, but then I had decided I want to use the random use wheel anytime I pick out a product. So when I went back and did the random use wheel, it picked 30 uses. So I used it 3 times in October, so I'm at 3 out of 30 uses. I need to start using it more, but it still is getting used. I promise we're getting there. Next, for cream eyeshadow, I went with, this is from Luxe B Cosmetics, and it doesn't have a shade name, so I just list this as light multi-chrome gel, because it is a multi-chrome eyeshadow gel. Originally I had 10 uses. The random wheel said 30 uses. I feel like 30 uses will use this up. I used this once in October. So listen. When I used this, beautiful, stunning look. Not going to lie. And when I put this on my eye, could not feel it. It was a gel. It could not feel it on my eye, dried down, did not crease, gorgeous. But I'm telling you, I never have trouble getting glitters off of my eyes. This was the hardest thing I've ever had to remove off of my face or off of my eyes, that I don't want to work on this anymore. So I think I'm going to declutter this. But I'm going to pick out, because I literally used it once. So I'm going to pick out because I do have a rollout. When I pick out my roll-in, I'm going to pick out a different cream shadow for that prompt. Because I'm refusing to use this. I'm throwing this away. So this is going bye-bye, but I will pick a new cream shadow out because I have other cream shadows. But I'm going to pick something else that I want to get 30 uses on. So I hope you guys don't mind about that. But we're moving on. Next we have for In Your Purse. And I picked this lip balm. It's from Pink Lips. And it is in the shade Dream. It did get nicked a little bit, which is unfortunate. But this is such a comfy lip balm. And I think it picked 5 uses, or it picked like an easy goal. So I picked 5 uses, but I don't count reapplications. And so like that's how far down we got. It's a really nice balm. I have been waiting to film this update so that I could, because once I hit goal on something, I throw it in my bucket, and then I do not retouch it because I want you guys to accurately see like how many uses it got me to that point. So I have been waiting to film this update so that I can start using this again because I want to put it on my desk. So I got all 5 uses in October. I hit my goal on the 27th of October. This is my one rollout. Now that can go back on my desk and I can start using it again. And in fact, let me in your purse. Boom. Roll out. And the last product we were working on is serum. So I picked this serum because 1, it's the one I use 5 days out of the week, and 2, I want it gone. So this was the Mix Soon Bean Essence, but it's so thick that for me, it's a serum. Like, this guy is not an essence for me. So I wish I could remember where we were, but this line has rubbed off. I believe we were about here, but I have used this. So my goal was 20 uses. I've used it 5, 10, I've used it 12 times. And we are, I hope you guys can see that accurately. We're down here. So I have 3 more uses on this, which I will absolutely get. Honestly, 3 more uses might empty this, which would be very exciting for me. So honestly, I don't even know if I'll be able to get 3 uses out of it. But I'm going to roll something in for this product because the rolling in stuff is the best. And I know this will be a rollout because it's practically a rollout now. So we're going to roll in 2 prompts. So let me get that all set up so I can show you how we're rolling things in now. Alright, so I have found a way to, in Vista Create, show the board, and I use a little nail polish as the guy. So actually, let me put it on. Where is serum? Serum is up here. So there we go. We are on serum. So let me get 2. I have to roll. Probably would be easier if I had actual dice. Goodness gracious. So all of this for you guys is going to be screen recorded. So let me start the screen recording now. So let's roll. I got an 11. So we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we got bronzer. And now let's go to the random use wheel. And how many uses are we going to get on the bronzer? We got long haul. Okay. So we will see what that means after. So now let's roll. We got a 4. Okay, so from bronzer, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is, you choose brow product. Okay. You choose brow product. And how many uses? How many uses? How many uses? Easy goal. In easy goals, we're going to put 5 uses. Okay, so now I'm going to stop the screen record. Let's figure out, what does it say, what the long haul... Let's see. I'm going to go pick my items and I will be right back. Alright, I picked my products. That took me a hot second. So, let's start at the bottom. So for brow gel, well, brow product, I'm only currently using one, so I'm not going to open another. This is from Qveen Cosmetics, and it is the Bow Down Transparent Brow Glue, which looks like this. It's just a brow gel. It's what's in my brows today. It's fine. I wouldn't buy it. Came in a box. 5 uses on this. It'll be a rollout for next update, which is fantastic. We love to see it, so that will be easy for... And actually, I didn't write this down. What is the shade on this? So for the cream eyeshadow that I'm rolling in, which now I only have to get 29 uses because I am counting that one use that I got on the other cream eyeshadow. This is from Koki Cosmetics, and it's their Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Polaris. It does still smell fine. It's a very wet cream eyeshadow, so it's like a rose gold with a very bright pink flash on it. This is the oldest liquid eyeshadow that I have in my collection. I really don't even want to tell you how old this is, but it does not smell off. It is still wet and gel-like. It's performing fine. I honestly have only used it a few times, so I want to get my 29 uses on it. Hopefully it'll stay good for that long. If not, I'll get as many uses on it as I can, and I'll call it done, and I'll call the prompt done. But that's why I want to roll this one in, because she's old. She needs some love. And then for bronzer, I didn't even write it down. Okay. I'm rolling in my Viseart bronzer. It's Bronze Noi. And this is what she looks like. I believe that's a little bit of hard pan on it. But for my long haul goal, at first I was toying around. I was like 25 uses. That's not that long. 50 uses is kind of a long haul, but I have 50 uses from the challenge wheel. So then I was thinking, ooh, 75 or 100. That'd be a cool like long haul goal. But then I was like, you know what? Let's just hit pan. Let's just do it. Why not? Ooh, and this pan does come out, so that's nice. Yeah, let's just hit pan. That's going to be my goal. So, this is what she looks like now. I will be a good YouTuber now, and I will take a picture of it so we can have a comparison photo. I will scrape off this hard pan and then take my photo. So... But that is my goal for that. So those are the 3 things that are rolling in. That is already on there. Love that for me. All right, and my remover is not going to even get that off. I love to see that. But that is going to be everything rolling in for this update. I hope that the screen recording worked a little better this time, because I know it didn't last update, and I apologize. Let me know if you liked this better. If you didn't, like what you think I can do to improve that going forward. Any feedback is always greatly appreciated. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. I love chatting with you there. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.